Alright, you guys. Alright, big old black cloud up there is putting some of this doggone water on those slappy dogs.
Alright, y'all ready? Here we go.
Hey, hey, hey.
Slappy dog.
And I wanna sing a song for you.
It's Slappy
Show
dog.
you a thing or two. You have fun now with me and all the gang, learning from each other while we do our thing.
Just don't know it feel good to me. It feels good though. It's a hot day. Get a little dumped on here. It ain't nothing for a high stepper. As long as it ain't like that all the way home. Sometimes you gotta grit and ground, Melco City. Melco City. You got the grit and you got the ground. Alright, we coming in hot. Alright. We still at it, y'all. About 4:12. I am in Bristol. And look at that upper. Good night. Oh, mercy. Ooh. Man, old slappy dog gonna get his daggum panties wet. Oh, I'm gonna get them panties wet. I don't want my panties wet. Daggone it. That's part of it though. But unlike my last video, I did bring my full body condom. I got it with me, y'all. Alright, car. Texting and driving. Good night. I got it with me. Oh, it's getting awful dark. I might have to go somewhere and put my phones up and my extra battery. That GoPro's waterproof. I believe I'd be alright, but I might have to put the daggone full body condom on. What y'all think? I'm coming in hot, but I'm coming in wet and hot. Oh, Lord. Ride with me, y'all. I might try to stop over here and get me a sign about it. A sign. Give me a picture by this sign. Ooh, that was a big old rain. Oh. Good, googly moogly. Here it goes. That daggone thing hit me dead in my lips. Ooh, here we go. Maybe it'll come in fast and go on out of here fast. What do you think? They say it don't rain on the Goldwing, it rain around the Goldwing. I believe I'm gonna put that to the test. I'm gonna put that theory to the test. Now, I'm telling you what, the further south I go, it don't look no better. It don't. There's that Tennessee sign. Let's see how bad this thing gonna get, y'all. If it gets too bad, I'm gonna pull over. Okay, Lord, I hear you. He told me to pull my butt over. That is not a good bridge. Might run out of it, y'all. Bad thing about this rain, it got a little wind on it. I don't mind having that crazy rain, but good Lord, I don't have some be a bunch of wind blowing me around. Oh, that pickup truck is getting, I don't know if it's raining or coming off that truck. Let me get over here out of the doggone way. I believe it's one of them rains that'll come in hard and whoa, and leave pretty fast. I believe I might tap out, y'all. I believe old Slappy Dog wanted to tap out on this. I didn't like it. That daggone thing made me, what is that? We may have to wait this one out, y'all. Uh-oh. I feel that water running down in my drawers. Oh, it went down the crack of my buttocks. Man, they got the nerve to slow down. It's going to really get me daggone wet. Where's the bridge when you need it, y'all? That one ain't no good. This ain't no real good bridge, but it's a bridge. Let me stay here for a second. I ain't taking no direct blow, huh? Put these electronics up. Alright, YouTube. Let's let this rain pass through. Alright, YouTube, we still at it. If you can see, I put my full body condom on. I mean, all the way from the head down to my toes. Except my gloves. My hand was too wet. My gloves were sticking inside of my hand was sticking inside of the glove, so we easing on down. I'm hoping to get to the other side of this foolishness. Cars. There be days like this, y'all. I'm just glad it wasn't doing all this on that back of the dragon or that snake. I've really been in trouble then. But we headed on in. We got about an hour, I'll say an hour and a half to go. I'm in Tennessee, so we're gonna grit and growl, as my buddy Melco would say, and make it happen, Captain. Let her rip, a tater chip. I ain't got no more riddles or rhymes. Well, we out here getting wet. Getting wet down in my underbritches. I got wet underbritches. I got to get my monkey butt powder and douse them down. I got to get them donuts powdered, some powdered donuts. Come on back. Oh, look at that. I see some sunlight. Come on with it, son. Shoot. Here. people, man, I don't know if they feel entitled if they, I don't know, when people just love to complain, and my riding list is getting smaller and smaller of people that I want to ride with. And I don't give a damn if he's 12 hours away, too, well, he's 8 hours away, so if he wants to ride with me, I'll ride with him. I've got to either meet him halfway, set up a rendezvous point, but that's all right. You know, I don't care, he don't care. It's all about the ride. Put a plan together, make it happen, get a couple of people that want to ride with you. Let me tell you something. It doesn't matter how many people ride on a trip or ride with you. It could be 2 or 22. As long as them 22 or 2 want to get out there and have some fun. You can have 22 people and have 10 complainers in there, which makes the ride terrible. So I get a little irritated sometimes when people say, well, who all went? How many went? How many bikes was it? Where did you go? I don't even answer the question. If you wanted to go, you should have went. But it don't matter if you got 10 people, if you got 2 or 32. Man, get out there and ride, shut up, ride, and quit asking all these daggone questions. You wouldn't have to ask all these questions if you was right here beside me, tearing up this doggone road. I just want to get that off my chest. But it's facts now. It's facts. If you ever decide to get a bike, or if you got a bike, if you want to do some touring, you'll find out how small your circle is going to get. You don't want nobody's going to stir up no crap, complain. You know, they need to be able to get along with people. Most of the people that meet me somewhere are my friends. So the other folks that come, they don't know them. But they can get to know them if they got an open heart and, that's another riding buddy just in case I can't make it. So each one teach one. We all ride with each other, the ones that get along. But the guys that ride with me on a regular basis, I appreciate them. I thank you for putting up with me because I guess I'm kind of a hard ass when it comes to certain stuff, but you gonna damn sure have some fun. We gonna get busy, as my man Michael James would say in Virginia. We gonna get busy, but we gonna have some fun. Now I ain't much into doing a whole lot of speeding, but we are traveling. Run around at 65 and 70 miles an hour ain't gonna cut it. When it permits itself, right now I'm running right at 79. I don't have nobody in front of me. I'm not running nobody down. Ain't nobody behind me running me down. I can hold it down at 79, 80 miles an hour. But now I do have a CDL, and I'm trying to protect my CDL. So a couple of people that came to me and said, Slappy, they said you hard to ride with because you don't like to stop. You run 100 miles an hour. Let's get it straight right now. I'm on vacation, and I ain't as young as I used to. So I may stop more than most. But I don't want to stop just to go out here and pick some dandelions. You know, we trying to get somewhere. But we got to use the bathroom. I'm sure I can make a little water when you need to make some water. So it's not to be made nobody feel bad. If you need to use the bathroom, you really don't even have to say nothing. The rule of thumb is whoever's leading, you just come up to the front, take the lead. If you get off on the exit, we gonna get off with you. If you don't want to tell nobody you got a daggone about to shit all over yourself, then don't. Just go off, get off the exit, and go get off. And I guarantee you, we're gonna get some gas, and everybody should use the bathroom. So, as far as me running 100 miles an hour, I have never, knock on wood, I have never got a speed ticket on a road trip, and I've been in all 48 states, and I don't know how many miles I done put behind me, and don't want one. So, with that being said is, we're gonna ride the speed limit about 10 over, and then we gotta back it down. We're gonna show respect and back it down. But I don't run no 100 miles an hour. Now, if you behind me lollygagging, and we up here running 75, 80, and you let, cars and whatever else get in front of you, now you may have to run 100 miles an hour to catch us, but I'm not running no 100 miles an hour. Well, this is what I do, y'all. This is my hobby. It's an expensive hobby. I like it. I put a lot of money towards it. I'm a Gemini. I gotta have adventures in my life. It's just a lot of fun for me. I started doing this YouTube so I can show my friends and family my adventures that I take. Just kind of bring everybody into my little world for a minute. But if you don't mind, hit the subscribe button. Please give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. It really helps the channel grow. And leave a comment, man. If y'all know of some places y'all want me to go, or some places that you've been to that I may not have, I'm all ears. Let me know. I never heard of the back of the dragon before. I believe my buddy Belco had said something about it. He seen it in the truck, in a big truck. And then Easy told me about it. I said, shoot, let's look it up. I said, man, that'll work. I'll meet you there. And then, get my phone back out here. And then, while he was coming through, I said, man, we real close to the snake. And David McCartney, forgive me, Dave, I misspelled your name, I mispronounced your name. He told me about the snake a long time ago when I used to deliver over there at Ferguson. So I've been to that snake before, but I don't remember. But I enjoyed it, man. That was an alright trip. I'm not sure which way I'm gonna go tomorrow. Gotta get these clothes dried out. But as you can see, it stopped raining, the sky's blue. Old Snap Dog is coming in hot. I'm coming in hot. Alright, y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow.